So here is the stairway. I've been calling it the 7th level, but I'm not certain if that's what it'll be. We might go higher than that, but I think maybe I'd like that to be the highest spot there. That's 5 levels up. And our platform between these two ponderosa pines is at about 4.5. So we got to figure out a way to get to it. We might have a network of structures on the way up. Maybe a platform. You can go right over to one of these trees and then a spiral staircase up to that platform, perhaps. But anyway, recently we cut out this hillside for a nice level spot for picnics. The boys had a shooting range down there, and of course boys camp is down at that other scaffold there, which is just above the pad. And now we have a trampoline.